Oh, hello there, young ones. What a lovely morning.
Good morning, Mr. Paws. Your garden looks so beautiful. Wow, look at all those tomatoes and carrots and pumpkins.
Thank you, children. I've been working hard all summer, but I'm afraid I need some help harvesting.
Mr. Paws, we would be honored to help you. Right, kids?
Yes! I'll pick the tomatoes. This is gonna be so much fun!
Hard work? I'm in. But fair warning, I'm better at eating vegetables than picking them.
That's quite all right, Noah. Every paw helps. Every paw helps.
Ugh, these carrots are stuck really deep. My paws are getting so dirty. Stop complaining, Ben. Mr. Paws needs our help. I'm just observing. It's very hot out here.
Hot! This is perfect. Back in my day, I worked in the garden in the blazing sun, without water, for hours.
Noah, you've never worked in a garden a day in your life.
She's right. But it sounded good, didn't it?
Ben, if you need a break, you can sit in the shade and drink some water.
No, Mr. Paws. I want to help. I can do it. Look! I got a huge tomato. It's as big as my paw. Whoa! Let me see. That's amazing, Lily.
Great job, sweetie. Now be gentle. Tomatoes are delicate.
Okay, this pumpkin is very stubborn.
Noah, you need to twist it gently, not pull it.
Twist? Like this? Whoa! I did it! I'm a gardening genius!
Noah, you just got lucky.
Luck and skill, my dear. Luck and skill. Look at all this beautiful food. I couldn't have done it without you.
Mr. Paws, you grew all of this by yourself? That's amazing!
It's hard work, Lily, but it's worth it.
There's nothing like eating food you grew with your own paws. Can we taste one of the tomatoes?
Of course. Here, I'll wash one for you.
This is the best tomato I've ever eaten. It's so sweet and juicy.
Oh my goodness! This is incredible! This is way better than store-bought tomatoes.
Mr. Paws, thank you so much for letting us help. This was a wonderful lesson for the kids.
The lesson was for me, too. I learned that asking for help is a gift. We all grow stronger.
Mr. Paws, can we come back and help you again?
You would want to come back?
Yes! We loved helping you. And the tomatoes are amazing.
And the company is even better. You're a great neighbor, Mr. Paws.
And you're the best neighbors a cat could ask for.
We'll bring you some of our homemade lasagna next week, Mr. Paws. Made with your tomatoes, of course.
I don't know what I did to deserve such wonderful neighbors.
You were kind to us, Mr. Paws. And we want to be kind back. Yeah! And next time, I'm gonna pick the biggest pumpkin.
You can try, buddy, but I think I've got the gardening crown now.
Noah, you struggled with one pumpkin.
One perfect pumpkin. It was a masterpiece.
Mom, I feel helping Mr. Paws made my heart happy.
That's because helping others is one of the most rewarding things you can do, sweetie.
And we got to eat delicious tomatoes.
And we learned that hard work pays off, especially when there's food at the end.
Noah, you didn't do that much hard work.
I did! I worked on my puns the whole time.
That's mental work.
And then the dinosaur did a flip.
We are almost home now.